In today's video, I'm going to teach you why your Revolut account locked. If you've opened the app and suddenly found your account restricted, don't worry. This guide will help you understand why it happens and what you can do to move forward calmly and efficiently. Let's start with the most common trigger: suspicious activity. Financial apps use automated systems to detect patterns that might look risky, even if they're legitimate. Things like an unusually large purchase, spending in a new country, logging in from a new device, or multiple rapid transfers can flag your profile. When that happens, the system may freeze certain features to protect your money while it double checks what's going on. The best move here is to review your recent transactions, confirm any alerts in the app, and be ready to explain a transaction if asked. If a notification appears asking you to confirm activity, respond promptly. It often speeds up the unlock. Another frequent reason is identity verification. Banks and fintechs must keep your information up to date to comply with Know Your Customer rules. If your ID has expired, your profile details don't match your documents, or you haven't completed a requested check, the app may limit access until you verify. Make sure your photos are clear, your documents are valid, and your details match exactly. Spelling, address format, and birth date. Good lighting and a steady hand during the selfie check can prevent retakes and delays. Next are general security concerns. If the system detects something that could suggest your credentials were exposed, like repeated failed logins, unusual device behavior, or a credential leak warning, it may lock your account as a precaution. Use this time to update your passcode, enable strong authentication, and remove any unknown devices from your account settings. Then follow any in-app prompts to confirm it's really you. Finally, there are legal and regulatory reviews. Sometimes your account is paused while the company performs routine compliance checks, such as sanction screening or source of funds verification. You may be asked for supporting documents like proof of income or invoices. Provide clear, legible files and concise explanations. These reviews can take longer than a simple identity check, but timely, complete responses help move things along. To wrap up, a lock usually means the system is protecting you or meeting legal requirements. Stay patient, follow the prompts in the app, and provide clear information when requested. With the right steps, most accounts are restored quickly and securely.